So guys, problem number 3 na tayo. So basahin ko lang yung problem statement. A cylindrical tank 80 centimeters in diameter and then 90 centimeters in height is filled with liquid. So yung tank and then the liquid actually weigh both 420 kilograms. Then the weight of the empty tank is 420 kilograms. So question natin dito is what is the unit weight of the liquid? So, ito yung configuration. So, yung liquid natin is represented by the red color. So, height niya. And then, ito yung corresponding diameter. So, liquid natin, once again, yung kulay red. So, given natin is yung diameter ng tank is 80 centimeters. And then, height ng tank natin is 90 centimeters. So, as for the weight of the tank, only itself is you have 40 kilogram of force. And then yung total weight ng tank natin as well as yung content ng liquid natin is equivalent to 420 kg of force. So pag sinabi natin total weight, we're referring to the weight of the tank itself as well as the weight of the liquid inside the said tank. So again, hanapin natin dito yung unit weight ng liquid or gamma ng liquid. So where, dapat natin tandaan, ang unit weight or tinutukoy natin gamma, you have weight density, or what we call the specific weight. So, represented by gamma. So, ang formula natin is you have gamma ng liquid is equivalent to weight ng liquid all over the volume ng liquid. So, since weight ng liquid, ang weight ng liquid natin is equivalent to the total weight, base dito sa formula natin, total weight less yung weight ng tank itself. Whereas yung tinutukoy natin volume na liquid is equivalent to the volume of the tank kasi nga, yung liquid ginagaya niya yung shape kung saan siya nakalagay. So, lumalabas, volume ng tank natin, ang general formula is Rn ng base multiplied by the height. Now, since yung pinaka-base natin dito is in the form of a circle, ang Rn ng base natin is we have 5 over 4, diameter ng circle square, multiplied by the value of the height once again. So, with yung weight ng liquid is equivalent to the total weight minus yung weight ng tank itself. So, volume ng tank is 5 over 4, diameter ng circle square, multiplied by the height. So, eventually, ang gamma ng liquid natin, ito yung magiging formula. Weight ng liquid, all over volume ng liquid, is equivalent to, ang weight ng liquid natin then becomes the total weight minus the weight of the tank, base dito sa original formula kanina. Then, yung pinaka-volume ng liquid natin is, again, equivalent to the volume of the tank. So, which is 5 all over 4 d square multiplied by the height. So, which is equivalent to 420 minus 40 kg base dito sa mga given conditions natin. And then, matitira pa rin si phi. And then, since si 4 nasa ilalim ng pinaka-denominator side, pwede natin siya itaas. Lalagay natin siya sa may numerator side. So, 4 as the multiplier with respect sa 420 minus 40 all over yung diameter natin which is 80 square natin, 80 square centimeter square, and then yung height ng tank natin which is equivalent to 90 centimeters. So, 90. So, in this case, pag sinimplify natin siya, wala pa pala. So, lumalabas, gamitan natin ng corresponding conversion in that for every 1 meter, you have 100 centimeters. Then, papansin natin, square centimeter multiplied by centimeter, you have cubic centimeters. So, gamitan natin ng conversion that for every 1 cubic meter, you have 100 cubic centimeter. So, in this case, magkakancel out yung cubic centimeter. So, matitira dito is cubic meter. So, ang magiging unit natin dito, instead na kilogram of force per cubic centimeter, you have kilogram of force per cubic meter. So, in this case, pagka tinabulate na natin mga numbers, as in 4 multiplied by 420 minus 40 multiplied by 100 raised to 3 divided by 5 divided by 80 square divided by 90. Ang matitira dito number, pag sinimplify natin, is you have 839.9844 kg force per cubic meter. Now, let's say for example, meron additional question. So, ang tanong dito is, kunyari, ganito lang, no? Kung ang tanong natin is, kung yung liquid ba nakalagay dito is tubig nga ba? So, para malaman natin kung tubig nga ba yung liquid that is actually stored within the cylindrical tank. So, para sa tubig, Ang unit weight niya at standard temperature and pressure is you have gamma ng water equivalent to 9.806 kilonewton per cubic meter or 62.427 pound of force per cubic feet and equivalent to 1,000 kg force per cubic meter. So ito yung magiging corresponding reference value natin. Para malaman natin o ma-question natin kung yung liquid ba sa loob ng isang cylindrical tank na to is in the form of water. So with the unit weight of the liquid being obtained at 839.9844 kg force per cubic meter, since ito hindi siya equal sa 1,000 kg of force per cubic meter, pwede natin sabihin na yung liquid inside the tank is not water. So, yun yung isang possible basis natin for us to be able to determine as to what kind of liquid is actually stored within the cylindrical tank.